Make it, sing it, draw it, say it. This is how dog zombies play it. Doodle monster, furry creature, draw a picture of my teacher. I like wafers, they're the best. Marcus Meldrew's not impressed. Granny's custard's very lumpy. Delia is always grumpy. I'm Tom, that's my name. So join in with my favourite games. Get ready, 'cause here we go. Welcome to my brilliant show.
Time for Make It.
I take it back. Brilliant! Make it! This is how to make your very own pesky cat. You will need some air drying clay, some toothpicks,
Be careful with toothpicks.
and a pen.
And a glue stick?
Sorry. Maybe next time.
All right.
There we go. That's everything you need. Got all of that yet? Great. Take your clay, cut it in half. Take a small piece off one side and save it for later. Use your hands to roll each side into a ball. Use the smaller ball to make a head. Pinch the clay between your fingers to make the ears. Pinch off a small piece of clay to make the nose. Grab a toothpick
Be careful with toothpicks.
and draw a mouth. Bring back the other ball. Yep, that's the body. Remember the clay you saved for later? Roll it up and you've got a tail. Okay, now it's time to let your cat dry. Check the clay instructions to see how long it needs. Usually overnight or a few hours. Right, take your pen, colour in the nose, draw a little line to his mouth, 2 eyes, eyebrows, ears, and of course, some whiskers. Awesome! I love it! And if your cat is feeling lonely, you can always make some cat friends. Or even try a clay monster! Welcome to my brilliant show! Escape, hamster!
Hamster? Did he say hamster?
We need to find Marble because Mark is coming to collect her today. And my parents will never let me have a pet if they find out I sneaked one in.
Don't worry, Tom. She's only got little legs. She can't have gone far.
Huh. Huh?
Marble. No sign over here.
Jerry, I don't think a hamster would have gone for a shower.
Oh. Good point. What would you do if you were a hamster?
Watch TV?
Yeah, me too.
Find Marble. Act casual.
Got it. Hello, Mrs. Gates.
We know what you're looking for.
You do?
Yes. You won't find my biscuits here.
Phew. Yep, clever old Dad. Always one step ahead. They're in the cupboard under the stairs. Never mind. We'll just go play and stuff.
They're my biscuits.
It's time for Play It! Yeah, I admit, I probably should tidy my room, especially as Marble the hamster is hiding in here somewhere. There she is! Right, see how many times you can spot that sneaky hamster before the time is up. Let's play Where's Marble? Don't get distracted by the cheeky bugs. Did you see her yet? Where is that pesky rodent? Did you spot her? There she is! There she is again! Is that her behind the shoe? Oh, that's it. Time's up. How many times did you spot Marble? She is a cheeky hamster. We haven't found Marble and Mark will be here soon. Welcome to my brilliant show! Good news, Mrs Worthington loves my sketchbook. Bad news, Mr Fullerman said,
Oh, this is really fantastic, Tom. A budding young artist. This'll be great to show at Parents' Evening.
Now, whilst I worry about my family seeing this picture, there's just enough time to draw it!
Right now, I'm going to show you how to do a very short comic story.
Wow, now I am excited.
What I'm going to do first, you need to work out what the story is going to be. So I've taken a pencil and you can see I've done some sketches and I've just worked out a very simple story. So it involves Tom, Mr Fullerman and some doodling. And you can see I've just kind of like roughed it out very quickly just to get an idea of what picture goes in each box. You might need to do it a few times, but it doesn't matter. So I'm just putting this to one side. Next thing I'm going to do is fold my paper in half. This is an A3 size piece of paper. You can do it on a smaller piece of paper if you want. That just gives me the middle. This is the bit where I'm cheating. So what I'm going to do is take my pencil and just rough out where the boxes are that I'm going to fill in for my story. Now I'm going to start my story. So it involves Tom doodling, of course. The story here is Tom's in class and he's doodling.
Amazing!
And we need to see what Tom's drawing. Hands are really tricky to draw. See, so I'm looking at my hand as I'm drawing that one. Mr Fullerman with a difference. So my story goes across and then down. Marcus is there, saying, Mr Fullerman. Marcus is desperate, he's going, Sir, Tom's drawing a funny picture. So I've just put little lines there so you can kind of tell he's saying something. So what I wanted to do was to show the picture of Tom's drawing that he's actually done. And then this is what Tom does. Before Mr Fullerman comes to see his drawing, he quickly turns it into something else. Quick thinking on Tom's part. So Mr Fullerman comes over and sees that Tom's just drawn a vase of flowers.
Wow, that's cool.
So now I'm going to take a slightly thicker pen. I'm just going to use this pen and just darken up some of the areas. Colour in his hair. Just add a little bit of shading. Just some shadows. So I'm just going to be very bold and use a nice thick pen. So let's have a look. So we've got Tom doodling, picture of Mr Fullerman. Marcus goes, Sir, Sir. Tom's doodling a picture of you. Mr Fullerman goes, what's going on? And quickly we see what Tom's actually drawn. And then quickly he changes it into something completely different. So Tom's out of trouble.
Love it!
So there you are, all done. A short comic story, just using pictures.
Uh-oh, Dad's getting his old records out again.
This one's a classic.
He always says that.
It's what you're going to do by recycle plastic cup.
It's time for singing!
Sometimes I look at my very young reflection before I realise the grey is my complexion. What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? We're plastic up, not the fashionably best dressed. We sing the songs that guarantee to depress. What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? Hugely influential. Our second album was mostly instrumental. What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? Nothing. We are the band on the edge of a disaster. We can't agree if a song should go much faster. What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?